got a call on this Manitowoc. I got out here, it was unplugged. I just plugged it in and just got it freezing. I'm just checking a couple things. So the complaint was that it's the ice is sticking on the grid and it's not harvesting. So they ended up unplugging it over the weekend. There's a little bit of ice left in there still. So I'm gonna let it make a batch and see if I can figure out what's going on with this thing. I was just looking at the microphone. Evaporator delta T is a little high, but we just started. So I need to get that 7 or below. I need to see that 7 or below when we get going up here. So I'll check back in as we get further into the ice cycle. Alright, we just went into harvest mode. I can hear the hot gas valve feeding. Let's see what happens here. Interesting. All right, I'm at the back of the truck. So the second batch of ice, I didn't film it for you guys, but it ran out of water. And the water level sensor needs a little love. So I'm gonna try and get this thing spit shined and see if we make out better. So I think it made the initial fill, but it didn't fill up a second time. And we ended up running low on water. And I think that was my issue. So let me see if I can get the cleaning here. I'm gonna soak it in ice maker cleaner too. Like new. Alright, so we're making ice, waiting for it to get below. The probe there, we'll listen to it fill back up again. Fill back up right there. So now I know we're gonna have enough water for the H.V.A.C cycles. All right, that took care of the ice maker, the just cleaning the water probe. I didn't get any more film on it other than that, but that fixed it. But I'm gonna bring you along here on my next call. I think it's a prep table, not cooling. Let's jump in there and take a look. All right, so check the thermostat. Thermostat's good, it's clicking. That fan's running. Let's see if our compressor's running. I don't hear it. I hear the condenser fan motor. Click of death. Let's see if we got bad starting points. Click of death. Okay. Some discoloration right there. see what we get. That wasn't good. Hey, it's running. I think it's gonna live. Started. Let's get a 3-in-1 on there and see what happens.
Huh? It's best out of 3, so we're going to 2 and 1400 if you run the first one, I'll even the second one, and then the third race is moving huh? It was tight. All races. And then they did a bonus round, and our 3 was they sent us at place. They raced 4 times, but the first, the ones that mattered, they didn't get really cut out the loop. I got a microphone. You know what? I got a microphone. You got a mic? Yeah? Oh, we were going to play the other day, huh? You never got on? Did you guys never got on? I was on. Yeah. Yeah. They texted me. Huh? They texted me. I know. I forgot. I forgot it. You know, whatever. I was pretty wondering. Yeah? Yeah. Man, yeah. Bueno? Yeah. So hard enough. You're pretty beautiful. Think so. I hope so. Nomás de estos de margen tenemos ir a, nomás de estos de margen. Oye, ella no. Ok. Hay que ver esta verdad aquí. Until 6:15, dude. You already have it. Huh? You don't have it. You don't have it? No. From 5 to 6:15. Really? Digo, ayer, de las 5 de las 6 de la. ¿Pero tú? No está tan mal, ¿verdad? ¿O tú qué sentiste? ¿Tú qué sentiste? ¿Te sentiste mal el trabajo? ¿No? ¿Muy bien?
All right, it lives. It lives. Lives to fight another day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. That one was just a 3-in-1 start package. Using the old start cord. Yeah, let's get the mask. Sick of the mask. You guys ever hear my song, Sick of the Mask? I'll play a bit of it on there. I have a video on the playlists. In my playlist is H.V.A.C comedy songs. It's in there. But yep, that's it for that one little start package. Alright, you guys, hit the like button. Click, 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 smash the like button. Hit the subscribe if you haven't. Help a brother out, and we'll check you on the next one.
Yeah, I'm sick of the mask. Get that guitar, boy. We gotta wear 'em out in public. We gotta wear it when we work, and it makes me sick. Sick of the mask all day long. I got the marks on my face, they go on and on. Sick of the mask.